We have less than 24 hours before we get a big update on exactly how the US Federal Reserve is going to play things. I'll be talking to you guys about my exact trading moves right now because we have been getting some pretty interesting signals. You can see some TP zones getting hit here, and we're also going to be talking about the big warning people should have on the radar literally right now, because 24 hours, actually less than 24 hours, we've got 23 hours left since the time I'm recording this and giving you guys all this big alpha before it hits. You have to pay attention to these times. It is very volatile. So you can see right here, we've had some really nice flash surges. So generally speaking, anytime there's a big announcement like we're having today and coming in less than 24 hours, what can happen is the market makers, the big whales, the big movers, they can pump, they can dump these prices, and it's all getting shown on the hourly charts. So we will take a look at the dailies later. We'll have a look at the 4 hourlies as well. But I have to say, at the moment, hourlies are giving us, the perfect, clear message of exactly how this is playing out. So last few days, look, we've been trading crypto in the short term, trading Bitcoin in the short term right here. So you can see Vector very strong, very profitable trade. We had a Vector bullish, very strong signal come up. That hit TP level 1. That was bullish as well. And then we've also had this one, a little bit of noise right here. So we didn't get a big break to the downside or anything like this. And this is what you just need to factor in when you are trading this. You will get some noise sometimes. But you can see right here, bullish, absolute mega pump, and this got up to 94,600. And to be completely honest with you, and this is today's big warning, they are trying to liquidate people who are too high on leverage and going the wrong way. That's exactly how it's working. So you can see right here, watch your guru, $94,000 right there, pumped. Ethereum hitting huge highs, and this is the number, right? This is why these crypto prices, they spike, they dump, they pump, they dump. It's this number right here, 155 million worth of crypto shorts liquidated in the past 60 minutes. And it's not so much the exchanges. So the exchanges will make money, but it's more the actual manipulators and the position makers out there. They're the ones who are going to be absolutely crushing it, because they're the ones who can pump and dump these prices, right? And but as long as you're kind of trading in the right direction like we have been, you're going to hit some good TP zones right here. So we hit 2 TP zones very quickly. Perfect right there. We didn't hit the third one. And we'll see how this goes. So, if this does drop below, 91,000, 900, that will be the exit out of that trade right there. But I have to say, short term, it's looking good. And also, as a special present for you listening to this video, so shout out to every single one of you. And generally, look, this is a very small organic community, and we get 20 views, sometimes 30 views on these videos. Doesn't matter because presents are coming out in the form of trading rewards over here on BYDeFi. So they have reached out to me. They say you can actually get this. So if you click the link in the description of this video and you are a trader, right? So if you're trading Bitcoin like I am, or even larger caps, make sure to go check this out, and you can unlock some really nice trading bonuses. So I've traded with BYDeFi for many years actually. So it's a great crypto exchange. And if you want to get some really nice gaming potential bonuses, check it out in the description of this video, and you can get it. So you can get Razer V2 Pro headset if you do some good volume there. You can get a nice chair as well. You can get a nice monitor. And what else we got right here? We got a laptop, and this is probably the interesting one. I was trying to find more details on this because I was actually trying to click this and see what the specs were, because I'm actually a bit of a gamer as well. So I love to game. But I find gaming highly addictive, so I try not to play too many video games because I'll just end up sitting on my video games, PC gaming that is, and not really doing all the crypto analysis I should be doing in the trading. But that is a nice price. If you're a Giga Whale, you get the Razer Ultimate Desktop rig. It's worth a lot of money, so they must have like a RTX 5090 in there or something special with heaps of RAM and a very fast processor if it's valued at that amount. But that was just something cool I wanted to share with you today. There is a link in the description of this video. It supports the channel right here. But of course, look, go make the most of these bonuses. Why not right here? And then you can always move to another crypto exchange. So remember, on this channel, we're all about freedom. So we can partner with any crypto exchange. Really, we want to. And get you guys who are followers of my channel watching these videos, you can get the bonuses as well, especially if you're getting value. So I want to give you guys as much value in these videos as possible. So you've got all the insight right there. So that is a cool link. Check it out in the description on this video. Now, having said that, look, we still have about 24 hours left before this plays out. I expect more volatility. That's what I'm thinking right now. We have hit 2 TP zones right here off this signal. But that's going to be, the thing that's going to be playing around. So we're seeing these pumps, we're seeing these dumps. Big sharks are in the water right now. But I do think, honestly, if you have a look at these other factors as well, we'll just talk about this silver price here. So you can see the silver price starting to surge. You can also see gold looking really strong. So I think, look, in the right now in the world, there's going to be more quantitative pumping. There's going to be more money coming into the economy, right? Typically speaking, this is going to be good for precious metals like gold and silver, and also crypto. So, the reason I'm talking about precious metals is because it's all about money, right? It's all about money supply. And I still think long-term crypto will be great, but if you want to make some short-term trades, this is looking super nice right here. And let's just jump over to the 4-hourly. So how are we looking with the 4-hourly windows? So you can see we got that vector bullish strong. So remember yesterday we spoke about this on the channel. I told you about this 4-hourly candle, which is really interesting. And that's actually got us 1 TP zone here on the 4-hourlies, which is nice. It didn't hit the second TP zone. And it is definitely looking interesting right there. So good to see this is actually flipped bullish. But what you will see as well, the dailies haven't flipped bullish. But again, what I have been telling you watching this video is just watch for these color codes, right? So you can see these candles starting to change. And this price graph, even though it has been in a decent bear trend that you can see right here, it has been bearish for a long period of time. It's starting to warm up. So this is giving us some early alpha into the direction of, almost like the defrosting of snow, like in winter. So the snow is melting. And maybe if it just continues to just work its way up like this, we're going to be up to, breaking this from a bear trend into a bull trend, and we're going to get that signal flash as well. And if you guys enjoy the trading software I'm using, and I'm going to use this in every video because I actually use it, right? So there's lots of people out there who use trading indicators, or they try and push trading indicators. They don't even use them. I literally use this every day, and I hate using charts without this, because this is just too much noise for me. It takes me too long to look at this. Switch this on, and this can give me some really nice trading setups, some momentum, what I'm looking at, and plus a lot of other cool things. You can also back test it as well. So if you want to actually back test these numbers, so I've just changed the settings right here, and I've dropped to the low settings. You can see right here, low settings, and this is to increase our win rate. And I've just said display the win rate, and this is every time this this trading indicator has looked at a signal. In the last, I think 27 signals up the top, it's actually got a 70% win rate when it's low. And of course, if you want to look for more opportunities, then you can increase the frequency right here, and that's going to drop the win rate down, but still it's going to give you great analysis as well. So that's sitting at about 55.7%, but you can actually backtest it on lots of cryptos, like actually using it. And feel free to use it as well. So if you do get value out of it, check out the link in the description of this video. I love it personally. You can also change the charts right here. So you can actually change the grid, you can actually change the interface, lots of different themes, and personally my favorite trading software to use right now. And going forward, I love it. And that is a big update for today. If you got value out of the video, like the video. Stay safe with your trading. As always, look, crypto's high risk, high reward. So make sure you have a risk management strategy in place. All that important stuff. But appreciate you watching this. Go have a great day. I'll see you in the next one.